Hello, hello. Good morning this Saturday morning. Bisdako is here. Kumusta? Nandito tayo sa Saturday morning live from Rome, Italy. Si Bisdako. Namimiss ko kayo kaya ako nagka-live ngayon. Talagang kailangan ko kayong kumustahin. I hope everyone is in good condition saan man kayong parte ng mundo. Nandito lang si Bisdako. Katuwaan tayo for this Saturday morning. Yes. Ayan, pa-music tayo, pa-music. Ano? Or kumusta? Sige, maya-maya. Kunting update lang ito para sa ating pa-raffle for December 8. Tuloy-tuloy na. Hello, mega loud shout out sa ating mga kaibigan. Mayan 11 Reyes, hello host. Mega loud shout out. Hello Mayan. Salamat. Belus La Loves, hello. Good morning from Rome, Italy. Kumusta kayo? Kumusta? Nag-live, harang-harang daw. Nag-live lang talaga ako para kumustahin ko kayo kung nasaan na ba ako, Pasensya for these past days na busy si Bisdak. Mega loud shout out sa inyo. May 11 Reyes DJ. Velus, hello. Kumusta?
I will be there. Love, only love can bring back your love someday. I will be there, and I will be there.
Hinahanap ko yung aking ballpen. Sige, ito na lang sign pen. Of course, nandito tuloy-tuloy yung ating pa-entry.
To win back your love again, I will be there, and I will be there. Love, only love can bring back the world someday. I will be there, and I will be there. If we go again, all the way from the start, I would try to change the things that kill all on. Your pride is built so strong that I can get through history with no chance to start once again. I'm loving you. Try, baby, try. Trust in my love again. I will be there. And I will be there.
Ayun, meron lang tayong tawag. Merry Christmas! Yes, Merry Christmas sa lahat. May 11 Reyes, Merry Christmas. Ayan. Ayun, nag-drop kayo ng link. Yes, of course. Ano natin yan? Ipipin natin yan. Ano? Ayan, Merry Christmas, Belus. Thumbs up yan. Ayan. Kumusta man kayo? Kaya ko hinahanap yung ballpen dahil tuloy-tuloy yung ating entry para sa December 8. December 8 na yung ating panakala na. Ayan, number 1 si Mayan. Sayang naman yung aking sign pen. Maghanap ako ng ballpen, ha. Maubos yung laman ng ating sign pen. Hanap ako ng ballpen. Sandali lang. Enjoy muna kayo sa music. Enjoy. Ayan, ito na yung ating ballpen. Ayan, coming Mayan. Coming Maribel Lozada. Yan, Mayan ang main ni Maribel Lozada, ni Velus is Maribel Lozada. Si Mayan naman palagi niya ginagamit. Ayan, namumukbang ni Lolo. Ewan lang ng bakas, sabi ni Lalabs Maribel. Ayan. Okay lang po, breakfast pa lang, di ko nabasa yung ano kanina. Oo nga, kami katatapos lang ng pagkape-kape.
It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear.
Itipin ko yung mga link ninyo. Ayan, Mayan. Ito ulit yung pa-entry mo. Ayan, dumami na tayo. Marami na yung ating pa-entry. Alam niyo kung bakit? Lahat ng dumadalaw sa ating premiere, sa ating mga upload videos. Ayan, katulad niyan. Lahat ng yan, nilagyan ko ng pa-entry. Kaya medyo nag-check ako nung ating mga kaibigan na dumadalaw sa ating bahay. Kumusta ang sounds ko? Naririnig ba ng maayos? Ayan, Mayan, no? Ayan, next, bigyan ko ng pa-entry si Maribel. Lalabs Maribel.
Walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright?
Ayan, Dan Mayan, sabi ni Lalabs Maribel.
I feel wonderful.
Ayan, Lalabs. Ito, tinanong ko yung isang entry. Dalawang entry mo today. Maraming salamat sa suporta palagi kay host sa aking mga uploaded videos. Thank you din sa iyo. Ayan, sabi ni Mayan. Thank you din. Merry Christmas is Mayan. Sabi ni Maribel Lozada. Merry Christmas. Talagang malamig na dito. Ayan. Konti lang naman yung ating pa-entry. Konti lang naman yung ating ding pa-premyo. Load lang tayo. At saka
hoping that nobody is around you. When I
Ating Gcash.
don't be shy.
Then i-announce ko yan by next week.
It's time to go home now.
Magaling ka sa pulutan. Ano ba yung video na yan, Mayan? Pulutan daw eh. Patingnan nga, matingnan nga yung pulutan na yan.
She hears me to
May pulutan na nagaganap.
as I turn on the light and I see yes, you look wonderful tonight. I feel
Haha.
wonderful because
Ano ba kasarap ang pulutan na yan?
in your eyes and the wonder of it all is just the custom way of life. Oh, let's go and take a page with the one that I write. Chilling with your body with you done most style.
Ano ba yan? Mapanood na yung video na yan, ang pulutan na yan. Mahilig pa naman ako sa pulutan.
Nobody is around you. When now, we got your body, don't be shy.
Sisig. Wow! Ang sarap na. Tumutulo laway ko. Sarap ng sisig. Alam mo kahapon, ay nakita ako yung yung ulo ng baboy. Gusto ko sanang bilhin. Yun nga lang, sabi ko paano kung to, alam, masarap yun sa sisig o kaya gawing paksiw. Ayan, mapabili tuloy yun. Talaga si May pinasarapan. Walang pulutan, ha. Gusto ko lang mamulutan. Ayun. Walang walang ibang trip. Talagang gusto lang mamulutan.
Oh, can't you see? You belong to me. I'm a poor heart, without this deputy. Every move you make,
Ligpit. Oo nga, ligpit ka muna dyan. Na Maribel, Loves Maribel.
every smile you make, every claim you stay, I'll be watching you. Since you got nothing lost without a trace, I dream it now. I can only see
Ano bang breakfast natin? Anong breakfast?
I feel so cold and I long for your embrace. I can't cry, baby, baby, please.
Tagayin mo ko para walang daya. Ayan, tagayan, tagay. Makatagay nga. Maaga pa dito eh. Paano ako magtagay? Maaga pa.
Can't you see?
Kape muna, kape.
You belong to me. I'm a poor hearted with every step you take, every move you make, and every bow you break, every smile you make, every claim you stake. I'll be watching
Mega loud shout out. Cherry Ann.
every move you make.
Cherry Ann, mega loud shout out sa iyo dyan. Ayan, tamsak daw kay May Ann. Nakapin yung kay May Ann eh. Okay, maraming salamat. Welcome, Cherry Ann. Ayan, bigyan kita ng jacket. Welcome at saka bigyan kita ng isang pang-entry. Cherry Ann, ito ba yung main mo? Ayan, Cherry Ann, ito ipa-entry para sa ating paraffle ngayong December 8. Dapat present kayo ha. I-ano ko yung oras kasi in-organize ko pa lang sa kung anong oras ako available. Pero sigurado na yan December 8. may audience or wala, i-raffle ko to para sa ating pang-load at GCash. Mga kunting bagay lang, kunting halaga, papasalamat na bulog si Bisdak, pasasalamat. Ayan, Cherry Ann, baba mo yung bahay mo, Cherry Ann, para ano, or isang video mo, para ano, mayroon ka ng isang pa-entry doon. May 11 rin. Salamat, Cherry Ann. Sige po, bakasan mo din mamaya din ko nakapin, puntahan kita. Ikaw ang nakapin. Si May Ann ang nakapin ngayon. Ayan, si May Ann ang nakapin. Kaya napuntahan ni Cherry Ann. Magbaba si Cherry Ann mamaya para ipin ko. Ngayon, ay ipin ko. Puntahan natin si Maribel. Si Velus. Ayan, puntahan natin. Sige. Ayan, Cherry Ann, salamat sa pagbaba ng bahay. Sige, mamaya ipin ko yung sayo. Puntahan at mag-iwan ka lang ng bakas dyan kay Maribel Lozada, Velus, yung nakapin. Yan, magaling mag-hug. Si ating lalabs Maribel.
All my memories gather around her. Mine is lazy, stranger to blue wood.
Wow, salamat po. Support here. Yes, salamat din sa iyo. Ayun. Yung ating pa-entry, actually, hindi lang sa mga nagpunta ng live. Okay? Lahat ng tinitingnan ko ngayon, lahat ng mga pumunta ng aking premiere, ng aking mga videos, uploaded videos, nag-iwan ng bakas. Isasama ko sa pa-entry yan. Okay. So, Palalabs team, Cherry Ann, maraming salamat. Ayan si Velus.
I hear the voices in the morning, how she calls me. The radio reminds me of.
Ayan, anuhin natin si Cherry Ann. Pareho pala to sila na
That should not be known. Yesterday.
Sama kita sa lista ng mga ng bananas. Cherry's compilation. Ayan.
Unto the place I belong, West Virginia, Mama, take me home.
Cherry Ann, God bless you. May bakas na ako iniwan sa iyo. Ayan, sabi ni May Ann 11 Reyes.
Country road, please take me
Maganda
home.
din itong mga music ni Cherry Ann. Ayan, Cherry Ann, nandito ako ngayon sa iyo ha. Bigyan kita ng 5 bananas.
West Virginia, Mountain Mama, please take me home. The country road, take me home. Country road. Another reggae flavor from Tropa Vibes live session.
Yan, enjoy lang din kayo sa music. Okay bang music dyan?
It's much harder to come back. I'm waiting in line.
Salamat host, maliit pa bahay, mahirap magpalaki, ang damot ni Lolo, alam mo, totoo yan. Ganito lang na yan, tuloy lang. Talaga normal lang, normal part yan sa pagiging YouTuber, ang inumukbang din ng ating mga bananas.
close to you, and you're close to me, and I love you so much more than my life.
Ako bago ako nakaabot ng ganyan ay talagang sakit sa loob ang dami. Mga nasa 200 ata na mukbang din sa akin. Pero sige lang, tuloy lang, laban lang. Huwag lang dibdibin, enjoy.
Oh yeah, oh you make my world.
Ayan, si Mayan, makarelate yan. Ano Mayan?
Are you
Diba?
just a dream to fade away? Nobody gets to put you up in no more. It's much harder
Yung 100
to go
above,
back.
magtuloy-tuloy yan. Tapos bigla na naman niya magano pag malapit ka na sa 500, marami na naman
Nobody
mawawala.
gets too much love anymore. It's as high as a mountain and harder to climb.
Ingat kayo ha, ingat tayo dahil may bagong variant ng
Highway to the
virus.
sky. We could turn away with the night and day in the tears we had to
Ayan,
cry.
nag-flash
You're
pa na ako
my
sa'yo, Mayan.
love. I can see
No,
I do
sorry.
tomorrow.
Cherry's
Love will
compilation.
never die. Love is such a beautiful thing. Oh yeah, when you are to me, the light above, made for all to see. Our precious love.
Bel, galing na ako sa iyo. Dan full pack. Maraming salamat, Cherry Ann. Maraming salamat. Ayan, tinatapos ko lang ng watch yung para hindi malagas yung tinatapos ko yung watch ng video.
Nobody gets too much love anymore. It's as high as a mountain and harder to climb. La la la. Love is just a beautiful thing. Ooh, yeah. Oh, you make my world a summer day. Are you just
Ganyan talaga kami, mga hanggang ngayon, hindi umaangat, puro lagas pa, kaya sige lang, pangisda palagi, tama. Ganito ang tips. Okay lang sa'yo, magbigay ako sa inyo ng tips dahil dinadaanan ko yung mga nadaanan ninyo. At hindi lang dati, hanggang ngayon, alam niyo ba bakit hanggang nakita ninyo yung aking sum ay 1,350? Kung tutusin, hindi lang yan 1,350. Araw-araw, nangawala din yung aking iba. Nangawala kahit sa hindi. So, yung mukbang, hindi lang yan sa mga baguhan, pati sa amin, monetize. Kaya nga sabi na nga ng aking misis, abay hindi ka na ata umaangat. Kailangan, at talagang totoo yan. Salamat host, napunta ako sa iyo habang may work pa. Okay. Sige, enjoy dyan sa work mo. So, ingat, huwag kang magpahuli. Ayan, harang host, sabi ni Maribel. Maribel, sabi ni Palalag Cherry Ann, full pack na siya sa iyo. Ayan.
We got a little flavor on. It's a line. A certain kind of life that never shall not be. Cause I want my life to be, to live with you, live with you. Yeah, there's a way. And everybody say,
Ayan, Dan Cherry, sabi ni Miss Activate Ali. Salamat, Lalab Cherry.
the one who does set free. If I ain't got you, if I ain't got you, yeah.
Ayan, ipinipin ko na ngayon si Cherry Ann. Pinipin ko si Cherry Ann.
What is life? Baby, you don't know what is life. Who loves somebody? Who loves somebody? Yeah, yeah. The way I love you. place again. 'Cause I know my friend of mine, you we got the peace of life. Yes, I'm blind. I am slow, surely fly. Yes, I'm a
Salamat sa inyo, working pa ako. Okay lang, Sherry Ann. Sige, ingat ka
and
dyan
you
ha,
see
sa
what
work.
I am.
Maraming salamat. Huwag ka na.
I live
Pilipin ko
in
rin naman
grace
yung
for
kayo.
you. What could I say to if I ain't got you, baby? If I ain't got you, yeah. You don't know what is life, baby. You don't know what is life. Who loves somebody? Who loves
Love
somebody?
somebody.
The way I love you.
Ay, huwag niyong kalimutan itamsak si host.
You don't know what it's like, baby. You don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. You don't know what it's like, baby. You don't know what it's like to love somebody, yeah, to love somebody the way I love
So life and still trying to get to
Mega mega loud shout out SSR Family Vlogs. Hello, hello, hello. So how are you?
So I buy sometimes a line just to get it all out. What's in my mind tonight? I feel it, I need a light. So I wake up the morning and step outside, and I take the breath and I get real hard, and I tell them what's going on. And I said, yeah, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey. I said, hey, what's going on? And I try, oh my God, I try all the time
Thank you so much. Galing ng mag-guitar ni Lalab Sherry. Ayan, si Lalab Sherry. Talagang ano yan sa pag-guitar. Hello, SSR family. There's one pin. Okay, Sherry Ann. I will pin your link later. This is Sherry Ann. Support Sherry Ann. She is new to YouTube. Thank you so much.
So I wake in the morning, I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real hard and I tell what's going on. And I'm sad, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Said, hey, I said, hey, what's going on?
This is our family, Maribel. Hi. Yes, hello.
Let it be,
Maribel also
let
is
it
here.
be,
Thank you so much. This is
let
our
it be,
family.
let it be.
Ayan, kindly visit the one that is pinned, Cherry Ann.
Let it be. I find myself sometimes a trouble. Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she's standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be. Oh, let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be.
I said,
Whisper
hey,
word of wisdom.
what's going on?
And when the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, and there will be an answer. Let it be. But though the may be parted, there is still the chance that they will see. There will be an answer. Let it be. Oh, let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. A whisper word of wisdom. Let it be. Oh, let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Whisper word of wisdom. Let it be.
Hello, mayroon lang akong patamsakan. Nakapin, bago kong pinin ngayon. Mula kay, Bizdak TV. May premiere lang yan kasi si Tirang. Iwan lang kayo ng bakas doon. Bakas, Bizdak ko. Ayan, din babalikan kay si Tirang. Isa yan sa mga pumupunta din sa atin dito. Si Tirang's Vlog. Tirang's Vlog. Tamsak lang, okay na yan.
Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. And when the night is cloudy, there is still a light that shines on me. Shine not till tomorrow, let it be.
Sound problem. So, hindi ako masyadong marinig.
Mother Mary, come to me.
Mega mega loud
Speaking
shout out
words
sa
of
lahat.
wisdom, let it be. 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 Whisper
Okay,
words of
sabi ni Cherry
wisdom,
Ann.
let it
Cherry Dan. Thank you so much, SSR family. Thank you so much.
be.
Cherry Ann, work mode muna ako dito ho. Salamat sa mga bumibisita sa bahay. Balikan. Yes, Cherry Ann, balikan mo na lang later si SSR family, okay? SSR family vlogs. Okay, just SSR family vlogs. Cherry Ann has just visited here. So later. Okay, thank you, Cherry Ann.
Let it be. There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. This place could be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you find there's no need to cry. In this place, you will be
Nice song. Oh, thank you, SSR family.
There are ways to get there. Make enough for the living. Make a little space. Make a better place. Make it a better place for you and for me, to the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. If you want to know why, there's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares for joy, for giving. If we try, we shall see. In this place we cannot feel. If we won't drill, we stop existing and start living. Then is that always love's enough for us growing to make a better world? Make a better world. Make it a better place for you and for me. In the entire human race, there are people
Done
dying.
25. Oh, like 25 to SSR.
Make a better place for you and for me. And the dream we wake up sipping, we reveal a joyful face. In the world we once believed in, we shine again its grace. And what the wicked is struggling like, but this earth will supply its soul. To this plain to see, it's good as ever be. Big and slow, we could fly so high. Let our spirits never die. In my heart, I feel you are all my brothers. Create a world with no fear. Together work we out.
You're welcome. SSR family vlogs.
Should turn this world into bloodshed. We could really get there if you care enough for a living. Make a little space to make a better place in the world. Making a better place for you and for me, and then the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. Make it a better place for you and for me, and the entire human race. There are place for you and for me, for you and for me, for you and for me, you and for me. Come on, on the dark desert highway, I cool wind in my hair, arms feel like colitas, rising up through the air. Up away on the distance, I saw a shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my sight grew dim, but I had to stop on the night. Dash just stood on the doorway. I heard a mission bell, and I was thinking to myself, could this be heaven or this could be hell? And she left with the candle and showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor. I heard them say, yeah. Welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, what a lovely place. In the room at the Hotel California, any time of year, you can find it here. The Meditative and the Twisted, she got a Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty boys. She goes friends out the dance in the courtyard. Sweet summer sweat. Some that's to remember, some that's to forget. So I cool up the captain. Please bring me my wine. He said, we have been had that the spirit since 1969. And still some voices are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Living it up at the Hotel California. What a nice surprise. Real water bites, mirrors on the ceiling, the big champagne on ice, and she said, we are all just prisoners here of our own device. In the master chambers, together for the peace. This is how we did it, that's really nice, but it just can't kill the peace. Last thing I remember, I was running for that door. I had to find the passage back to the place I was before. Relax in the night time, we are programmed to receive. You can check in anytime you like, but you can't never believe. Oh! I'm sitting here in the boring room. It's just another rainy Sunday afternoon. I'm wasting my time, I got nothing to do. I'm hanging around and I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happens. And I wonder, I'm driving around in my car. I'm driving too fast and then I'm driving too far. I like to chase my fun. No you. I feel so lonely, but I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happened. And I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky. You know that I can't see. It's just a yellow lemon tree. Wow, yeah, turning my head up and down. I'm turning around. And all that I can see is just another lemon tree. The bird that sing about that. Da da da, blue da da, da da da, blue da da, da da blue da. I'm sitting here, I miss the power. I like to go out and taking a shower, but there's a heavy cloud inside my head. I feel so tired, put myself into bed while nothing ever happens. And I wonder,
Mega loud shout out Isel David. Hello. Maraming salamat sa paharan at like
it's
yan.
not good.
Yes. Tambay lang, tambay. Walang problema. Walang busy. Oo, ako din. Ano ko lang. Inabol ko lang yung mag-live kasi medyo itong mga nakarang araw ay nawala ako. Kaya kumustahan at update ko lang sa inyo na tuloy-tuloy ang ating paharang, ating paraffol. Ayan, bigyan kita ng isang entry.
I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me
Ayan,
about the blue,
para
blue
sa ating
sky.
entry.
You know that I can't see. It's just another lemon tree. Wow, yeah, tuning my head.
Thank you so much, SSR family. Thank you so much.
Turning around.
You just leave hope you leave a message from Bisdako so that they will be the one to return to you the favor.
I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky. You know that I can't see. It's just another lemon tree. Wow, yeah, turning my head up and down. Turning around. And all that I can see. And all that I can
Ayan, bigyan kita ng jacket, Isa. Sandali.
And all that I
Nakalimutan ko
can
jacket.
see is just a yellow lemon tree. You know you're everything to me. I can never see the two of
Ayan, may jacket ka na.
apart. You know I give myself to you. Yeah, no matter what you do, I promise you my heart. I build my world around you, and I want
Simply
you
Ma'am
to
Shi.
know.
Hello.
Need you
Mega
like
loud
I
shout out
never
sa iyo,
needed
Ma'am Shi.
anyone
How are you?
before.
Ayan, humabol lang ng live ako dahil itong nakarang araw hindi ako naka-live. Namimiss ko kayo bago ulit ang duty. Confirm ko lang kasi na tuloy-tuloy yung ating paraffol sa December 8. Kaya ako nag-live din. Baka naman yung ating mga mga kaibigan ay kaya nandito ulit tayo. Ayan, SSR Family Vlog, simply hi. Yes. Ma'am Shi. Simply Ma'am Shi. Ayan, I've pinned the link of SSR Family. That's a very good short.
Dedicate my life to you. Know that I would die for you, but
SSR family, have you visited the live stream of Simply Mom She? Simply Mom She has also,
Can't live without you. But I
bigyan ko
want
pala yan ng pa-entry, has also a daily live
need you
and
like
she
I
has
never
many
needed
visitors there.
anyone before.
Salamat sa paharang.
I live my life for you. Wanna be by your side. Never been that you do. If there's only one thing you can't believe it's true. I live my life
Ayan, Simply Mom She, your entry.
for you.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, SSR family, here's the link of Simply Mom She. She also has a live stream and they also give support. Split tayo nito. Ayan, SSR family, Simply done. Ayan. So, you can also visit the live stream of Simply Mom She, SSR family.
Like I never needed anyone before. I live my life for you. Wanna be by your side. Everything that you do. And there's only one thing you can't. I was the lonely one, wondering what went wrong, why love had gone and left me lonely. I was so confused, feeling
Hazel
like I
David,
just
SSR
been
family, Vlogs, Jan
used.
thumbs up.
Then you
Yes.
came,
Ako na lang mag-English. Yan.
and my
Actually, Hazel
loneliness
David,
left
SSR
me.
family has
I
already
used to
subscribed
think
to
I
your
was
channel.
tied to a
So now
heartache.
with the
That was the
like,
heartbreak,
your
and
short,
now that I
nice
found you,
video.
even the nights I've
Ayun,
been
manosbid tayo.
now the
Sige
way
lang.
together.
Thank you,
Even the
Hazel.
nights I've been since I
SSR.
found you.
Ayan, Hazel. Hello. Tamsakan natin yung ano,
Even the days
yung kay
are
Simply
brighter with
Mom
someone
She
you
na
love
live.
beside
Maguhit ko yung
you.
pin.
Even the nights I've
Ipin ko si
been
Simply Mom
since I
She.
found you. You knew just what to do, 'cause you had been lonely too. Then you showed me how to ease the pain in you. You didn't mean a broken heart, 'cause now you made a fire start. And I can see, feel the same way. I never dreamed there'd be someone to hold me, and now you told me, and now that I found you, even the nights are better. Now the way together, even the nights are better since I found you. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Ayan,
Even the
Larissa
days
ni
are
Dian.
brighter.
MLSO.
Someone you love beside you. Even the nights are better
Dan,
since I found
Tamsak,
you.
kay Mom She, dating dikit. Ayun. Thank you sa Papin host. Walang anuman. Walang anuman. Yan ang buhay natin. Salamat sa support din na nandyan kayo. Isel David, siyempre Ma'am Shidan po. Ayan. Salamat Isel. Isa sa ka-team ko yan. Support, ano din yan. Ako lang talaga ang medyo mano sa paminsan sa aking support eh. Sige lang, babawi ako guys. Salamat Isel. Salamat. Nagbaba ka ba Isel ng ano?
I never dreamed that you're someone to hold me until you told me and I didn't found you. Even the nights are better. Yeah. Now that we're here together. Even the nights are better.
Ayun.
Since
Yan,
I found you.
Sige, mamaya ipin ko yan.
Even the days are brighter. With someone you love beside you. Even the nights are better since I found you. Whoa, even the days are brighter with someone you love beside you. Even the nights are better since I found you.
SSR family, yes, there's the link of Isel. See the link of Isel.
Stuck on you. I got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. 'Cause I'm on my way. Whoa, need it a breath. And the way you feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. 'Cause I'm on my way. Fighting
Dawat
you
mo na lang,
stay.
full pack Ma'am Shi. Salamat.
La 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 la.
Isel Dan, sabi ni SSR family. Thank you so much SSR family. Thank you so much.
Here we go. I'm stuck on you. I've been up for too long. I guess it's time for me to come home. 'Cause I'm on my way. It's so hard to see that a woman like you going around for a man like me. 'Cause I'm on my way. But you got to stay. La 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 la, la 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 la. Brio, oh, 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 oh. La 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 la, la 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 la. Oh, I'm leaving on the midnight train tomorrow. Yes, I know just where I'm going. But get my troubles in now. We know the way. This time, little darling, I'm coming home to stay. You, oh, 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 I wanna stuck on you. I got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. 'Cause I'm on my way. I needed a friend. And the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. 'Cause I'm on my way. But I got to stay. La 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 la, la 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 la. Brio, oh, 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 oh. La 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 la, la 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 la. Oh, I'm leaving on the midnight train.
Mega loud shout out Mimi and Me channel. Hello Mimi and Me. Welcome to this ko. Salamat sa patamsak mo dyan. Ayun, ihabol ko yung pa-entry. Kaya ako nag-live para i-confirm update sa ating pa-entry. Tuloy-tuloy.
I'm coming home to stay. I wanna stop on you.
Ayan, Mimi and Me.
in my soul
Tulpa,
that I
Hazel,
just
Lamisa ni
can't
Yang.
Is
Ayan,
I'm
magbabayan mamaya si
on
Lamisa ni
my
Ben ng
way.
kanyang maliit na bahay.
Only did the
Ayun, nilagay ko na Mimi and me. Ayan, dumami yung ating pa-entry kasi sinama ko dito yung mga dumadalaw sa ating mga uploaded videos. Hi everyone, yes, Star Family. Yan, i-ano natin si ano, nakaano na kayo din dyan siguro sa ano.
Mighty glad you stay.
Ayan, i-ano natin si SSR Family na lang ipinipin ko ulit. Yes.
Mighty glad you stay. Yo!
Ayan, Mimi and me. Baka na ano dyan para mapin ko mamaya.
Open the door. I think I'll take a walk in the park. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. But I got that someone waiting for me. And when I see her, I know that she'll say, hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. Hi, 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 beautiful Sunday. This is my beautiful day. When you say that you love me. Whoa, my, it's a beautiful day. Bird are singing, you by my side. Let that take a couple to ride. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. We'll drop on follow and I follow the sun, making Sunday gone on and on. I said, hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. Hi, 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 beautiful Sunday. This is my beautiful day. When you say
Thank you so much for the people watching this Dako live from Rome, Italy. Saturday morning, malamig na dito. Hindi pa ako nakagawa ng kape, makapagkape nga dahil ang lamig.
Hi, beautiful Sunday. This is my beautiful day. When you say
Hello, yes, Ma'am Shi. Yes. Salamat sa suporta. Thank you, Lamisa, ni Bian, ni Sil David. You're welcome, sabi ni Ma'am Shi. Ayan, nakapin ngayon yung ano, kay Isel. Sandali, nawala ako.
Hey, have you ever tried really reaching out for the other side? Maybe climb
Mega loud shout out Felix Channel. Hello Felix Channel. Welcome sa ating Saturday morning live from Rome, Italy. Ayan Felix, kumusta? Lumalaki ba ang bahay? Last time, ayan, bigyan kita ng pa-entry sa dalaw mo ngayon. Ayan Felix, may nakapin. Felix Channel. Tusok Dan, salamat Felix. Ayan yung pa-entry para sa iyo, para sa ating tuloy-tuloy na cash, Gcash at pa-load sa December 8. Ayan Felix, ayan. Lumalaki naman ho, yes, mabuti naman pa. Tuloy lang, laban lang kasi paminsan-minsan talaga nag-aano si nagmumukbang si Lolo, pero tuloy lang yan, pati kami experience namin yan. Ayan, bigyan kita ng jacket, Felix. Ayan, yung jacket sa iyo. Aside sa pa-entry. Ayan. Ayun, yung nakapin, baka hindi mo pa nadikitan yan, si Hazel David. Tapos maya-maya, ipin ko rin yung kay Ma'am Shi. Para maanuhan mo. What time LS sa December 8? Ganito, that's a very good question. And usually ba, anong kayo ang oras na medyo gabi Pilipinas time? OTW La Mesa, salamat Hazel. Or ganitong oras. Kasi inaano ko rin yung schedule sa trabaho ko eh. So, by the way, i-announce ko ang oras sa LS. Pero sure na yung December 8. I-announce ko lang yung oras. I-organize ko lang yung by tomorrow or Monday maximum. I-organize ko lang yung oras. Pero probably Pilipinas time, gabi Pilipinas time, mas maganda.
Baby, you know that dreams
bahal mo pa pala. Bahay mo pala, Lamesa. Ayun, bahay ni Lamesa, oo nga. Hello, Lamesa. Lamesa ni Ebyang, bahay daw.
to hear me true. I'd like to make it with you. I really think we can make it, girl. Oh, I really think we can make it, girl. I really think we can make it, girl. I really think we can make it, girl. I wanna make it with you, girl. I really think we can make it, girl. I've been watching you. A la 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 long, a la 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 long, 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 long. A la 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 long, a la 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 long, 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 long. Your mom. A la 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 long, a la 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 long, long, long. A la 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 long, a la 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 long, long.
Welcome to our friend from Bangladesh, SSR Family Vlogs.
Said I wanna
Yan,
talk to
Larissa
you
Nibiang, MLS
for
na
a
Felix,
little while.
dikit na tayo. Guys, salamat at kayo ay nagdikita na pala. Suportahan na lang, support each other na lang. Tamsak ulit host. Salamat. Ayun, si Ma'am Shi, nagtamsak ulit. Salamat sa patamsak. Ma'am Shi, si Felix, ipitin ko si Felix. Ayun. Balitan ko lang Hazel ha. Ipin ko si Felix kasi baby pa to. 120. Ayun, 121 si Felix. Tulungan lang natin. Lalago yung bahay ni Felix sa Maki. Salamat sa pagkakas dyan. Ayan.
Long, come on. So as I do myself, if she loves me or not. But at least I know.
Felix Dan, thank you so much. SSR family, thank you so much. Ayan, Felix from SSR family, ganda siya sa'yo.
My tongue is high and that's no, I am looking in your eye. Looking in your big brown eye, ooh, yeah. I got to say this to you, yeah. Girl, I wanna make you sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry, you sweat. Sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry, I'm gonna push it no more.
By the way pala, ito yung kay Lamesa ni Ibiang. Sa kamaya kay Ma'am Shi, sa second dikit. Sa second tamsak. Salamat host. Yes, walang anuman. Ayan. Salamat, sabi ni SSR Family dahil siya sa iyo. Kaya kayo na bahala kay SSR Family from Bangladesh yan.
I'm looking in your big brown eyes.
Ayan, Ma'am Shife. Ayan. Sa iyong patamsak. Ayan.
I wanna make you sweat. Sweat till you can't sweat no more. Yeah, na feel cry, I'm gonna push you some more.
Iwan lang ng bakas. Bisdak ko bakas.
And if you cry, I'm gonna push it.
Yan, iwan nyo. Ayan, Ma'am Shi at Lamesa ni Ibiang. Thank you host. Walang anuman, Ma'am Shi. Felix, dalaw ka doon kay Ayan. Felix, mayroon niyang live palagi si Ma'am Shife. Marami dong pupunta para lalago ang banana mo. Ayan, diba? Ipin ko yan. Ayan, Felix, nakapin ulit si Ma'am Shife. Tamsak ka doon. Abangan mo yung live ni Ma'am Shife. Mayroon niyang maraming banana dyan. Salin mo yan sa iyong listahan na iikutan para mangisda si Ma'am Shife. Diba? Tama, Ma'am Shife. Tulungan natin. Tulungan. Ayan, Felix. Also, SSR Family. Yes. Visit the live stream of Ma'am Shife for more. Dikitan for more. Laban.
And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love?
Host, pwede maghingi ng greeting sa iyo para sa monetization ko. Wow, thank you so much. Una mo nakalista na nabigyan ng okay, sige, ilista ko. Bakit naman hindi? Pwede manghingi na prepare ako ng congratulatory message. Okay? Ayan, isulat natin para mayroon ako congratulatory message for Ma'am Chef
You're my savior
YTC
when I
monetize.
fall.
Wow!
Ayan,
Ayan, sinulat ko na para hindi ko mawala. Remind mo lang ako, please. Hindi naman sa pero paminsan kasi. Kailan mo ba kailangan yan? Next week? Next week?
And it's me you need to show.
Yes, maglaban
How
tayo.
deep is your love?
Tama.
Is your
Ang buhay
love?
natin sa
How
YouTube.
deep is your love?
Laban
I
lang.
really mean to learn. Cause we're living in the world of fools, breaking us down.
Mayroon pa pala isang nangingi sa akin.
Letters
Si
be.
Just Ray. Oh,
We
si-
belong to you and me. Na 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 na.
Mega loud shout out to the 5 million people watching. Thank you so much na nandito tayo para sa ating Saturday morning kumustahan lingaw sa payag. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng dumalo. Thank you so much sa update natin. Salamat sa pagtamsak ninyo kay host.
And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love? I really mean to learn. Cause we're living in the world of fools, breaking us down when the ocean
Si Marjeline at si Miss Butterfly, nahingian ko din sila. Last mano din sila may talagang inaano nila kahit busy. Yes. Pero pag ako yung congratulatory message ko, kasi ano po ang ginagawa ko niyan, less than a minute lang talaga ang ginagawa ko, ha.
I really mean to love.
Okay lang ba yun? Less than a minute.
'Cause we're living in the world of fools, breaking us
Bawat ako na lang
down
dahil po sa
when the ocean
Thank you so
let
much,
us
Giselle. Thank you
be.
so much.
We belong to you
Giselle, paminsan-minsan sa live ni Ma'am Shi, dalaw ka. Ayan, may nakapage si Ma'am Shi. Twinny Lors, mega loud shout out sa iyo, Twinny Lors. Lors, Lorena Pancho, yes. Okay, mega loud shout out sa iyo.
I can tell by your eyes
Bigyan kita ng
you're
jacket yan.
probably been crying forever.
Malakas yung malakas yung,
And the
alam mo, tanggalin ko
stars
kaya.
in the
Sandali, tanggalin
skies
ko na
don't
muna.
make
Ayun, tanggalin ko yung sound kasi yung sound talaga nagpapaano sa akin yan. Hindi ko kasi yan makontrol. Hindi pa nakabili ng mixer si host eh. Tinitingnan ko yung mga mixer. Ayan. Huwag mong tanggalin. Hindi, tinanggal ko sandali kasi inayos ko. Sige, balik ko. Subukan kong ibalik. Inayos ko lang yung tawag nito. Hinaan mo lang. Hindi ko nga saan ba yun hihinaan? Tinitingnan ko lang kung saan ko hihinaan. Ba yan? Sandali. Ngayon, mahina na ba? Malakas pa rin. Hinaan ko na. Kasi okay yung music mo, masaya. Salamat. Oo, hinaan ko lang pa. Hinahanap ko kasi saan ko hihinaan. Ngayon ba okay na ba dyan? Ngayon, hininaan ko. Sinubukan kong hininaan. Sana na lang okay. Hindi ko kasi marinig sarili ko eh.
If I stay here just a little bit longer, and if
Yung
I
mic ko
stay
malakas
here,
din naman
won't
na
you
ata. Sandali. Tingnan ko yung aking audio.
to my oh my heart,
Ayun, mahina yung aking mic. Ayun.
into my
Yan, okay na host. Yan. Doon lang pala yun. Nilakasan ko yung mic at saka hininaan ko yung okay. Maraming salamat sa pagpuna ninyo dahil hindi ko kasi marinig sarili ko. Marinig ko lang boses ko pero sa side ninyo. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan, natuto si host. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Subukan kong pakinggan. Yung mic ko, inanuhan ko, nilakasan. Ayan, malakas na din ang boses. Salamat kasi inano ko yung
how you broke my heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, and if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart, into my heart. Oh, my heart.
Salamat Felix. Salamat. Ayan.
Oh, my heart.
Ayan, ipin ko yung kay Lamisa ni Ebiang. Nandito lang ako sa kabila ha, may premiere kasi yung isa nating supporter si Tirans Vlog. Lamesa Dan Fullpak, salamat. Maraming salamat Isel. Salamat sa pag-suporta kay Lamesa.
it's time to win back your love again. I will be there. I will be there. Love, only love can bring back your love someday. I will be there. And I will be there.
Nasa kabilang premiere lang ako, guys. Pasensya, sinuportahan ko lang yung kabilang premiere. Kaya palagi itong nagsusuporta sa akin kaya pinuntahan ko lang.
Fight, babe, I'll fight to win back your love again. I will be there, and I will be there. Love, only love can bring back the world someday. I will be there, and I will be there. If we go again all the way from the start, I would try to change the things that kill our love. You promised better, so strong that I can get through history.
Balik. Welcome back, Cherry Ann. Of course. So, natapos na ba ang work? Tapos na ang work. Ayan. Cherry Ann, since balik ka na, yung nakapin. Sila Mesa ni Ebiang. Balikan mo na lang si Ma'am Shi. Alam mo, ano ka dahil na, palalabs na tayo dyan. Sila Mesa ni Ebiang at saka si Isel.
The trust in my love again. I will be there, and I will be there. Love, our love, you shouldn't be drawn away. I will be there, and I will be there.
Ayun, sandali, natapos yung kabilang premiere.
If we go again all the way from the start, I would try to change the things that kill our love. You promised me so strong that I can get through history with no chance. Stop once again. If we go again all the way from the start, I will try to change the things that kill our love. You promised me so strong that I can get through history with no chance. Stop once again. I'm still loving you. I'm still loving you. I'm still loving you. I'm still loving you. I need your love. I feel wonderful because I see the love in your eyes. In the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. Woo! Come on!
Lamesa Dan Tamsak, dikit nag-iwan din. Salamat Cherry Ann. Yes, anuhin kanya ni Lamesa.
She's wondering what clothes to wear. She put on her makeup.
Kumusta ang work? Nakauwi na ng bahay, Cherry Ann? Nakauwi na ba ng bahay? Anong oras na ba? It's 7:30 na ba dyan sa Pilipinas?
And then she asked me,
For Pilipinas ba si Cherry Ann? Sana nakauwi ng safe, no? Nakauwi ng safe sa bahay.
look wonderful tonight. Yeah, 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 yeah. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady, yeah, that walking around with me, yeah. And then she asked me, do you feel alright?
Guys, 2 hours lang ako ha. Maya-maya, after 30 minutes, out na dahil may duty pa, may duty. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagbisita sa payag ni Bisda ko. Tuloy tayo sa December 8. Tuloy tayo sa December 8. Yung oras, i-announce ko lang. Thank you so much, Isel, ha. Dan Tamsak sa premiere po. Yes, Cherry Ann. Iwan lang ng bakas doon sa kabilang team kasi yan. Sa kabilang team yan. Iwan ka lang ng bakas, Bisda ko doon at babalikan ka, Cherry Ann. Ibang team yan.
It's time to go home now, and I got a lake in there, yeah, and so give her the car keys.
I've got an
She
aching
hears me to
head.
bed, and then I tell her, yeah, I
bed.
turn off the light, and I see
And
yes,
then I tell her,
you look wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the light in your eyes.
pang 16, Tamsak host. Talaga, may tweet. Salamat, mami. Ang dami. Ang dami na. Tamsak nyo. Maraming salamat. Dumami din. Dumami din ang iyong pa-entry. Ayan, si Mami Twins, Mami Mamsi Twins, dumami din ang pa-entry. The more entry, the more chances. Agree. Tamsak sa nakapin. Maraming salamat, Mamsi. Iwan ka lang doon, ha. Ano, sa ibang team yan? Sa ibang team.
Under the sun now, under the sun now, you look wonderful.
Ayan ulit, Mamsi. Ayan ulit. Ang sa'yo, Mamsi Queen.
Every breath you take, every move you make.
Ayan, ibalik ko lang si Cherry Ann. I-pin ko lang ulit. Ayan, Mamsi. I-pin ko lang ulit si Cherry Ann.
I'll be watching you every single day.
Wow, maagang pamasko. Pasasalamat ko yan din, Mamsi. Actually, hindi yan pamasko. Pasasalamat ko yan sa mga tumutulong sa Bisda ko channel. Para sa, di ba, na-monetize ang Bisda ko channel. So, yan ang aking pasasalamat.
You belong
Kunti lang yan, mga Gcash at saka load.
poor heart, but every step you take, every move you make, every vow you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stake, I'll be watching you. Since you're gone, I'll be lost without a trace. I dream at night, I can only see your face. I look around, body so I can't replace. I feel so cold and I long
Okay lang yan, host. Kahit konti, laking tulong yan. O katuwaan, balik katuwaan. Dating dikit na tamsak sa nakapin, host. Oh, okay. Kay Cherry Ann. Oh, yes. Ano natin yan eh. No? Sa Palalabs team si Cherry Ann. Salamat sa suporta. Ganun lang tayo, suportahan. Kaya talaga, inano ko na kahit 2 hours makapag-live ngayon dahil ilang araw akong nawala sa ere.
Every smile you make, every claim you stake, I'll be watching you. Every move you make, and every vow you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stake, I'll be watching you.
May pa-games, hindi ko alam paano magpapa-games niyan. Ang inano ko lang is raffle. Talagang raffle lang ang inano ko nito. Raffle ko na lang muna. Actually, lahat ng mga dumadalo sa aking premiere, sa ating mga uploaded videos, sa ating live, katulad nito sa premiere, sinulat ko lahat at binigyan ko ng mga entry. Kaya nagkaroon ng maraming assignment din si host. Kaya nga host, sinahanap ko live mo. Salamat ha. May pag-games. Yung pag-games siguro isipin ko ha. Sige, magano din siguro pa konting games. Like ano yung mga games niyan? Like Bring Me. Yan ba yung mga games na yan? Punta kayo dito. Bring Me. Pinkehenyo. Ano yun? Pinkehenyo. Pwede yun. Okay lang yan, host. Pagpalain ka pa more. Maraming salamat, Cherry Ann. Maraming salamat.
Younger than the mountain, blowing like a breeze. Country road, take me home.
God bless you too. God bless you all. Sa lahat ng tulong, ganun lang tayo.
West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road.
Pinkehenyo. Paano lalaruin yan? Alam mo, ano ako eh. Late ako sa mga laro eh. Pinoy Henyo. Mali na tayo. Okay. Pinoy Henyo ha. Gets ko na, Pinoy Henyo. Ano yan, yung mga di mahaba ang maging mangyari sa ating live niyan. Baka tulog na yung ibang parte ng ibang parte ng mundo. Actually, Ma'am Shi, ano ko lang was, tutusin, may pabingo, pero sa Pasko na yan, New Year na yung mga pabingo. Ito muna is pa-raffle. And then, sige, lagyan natin ng konting games. Yan na muna yung mga pasasalamat natin sa mga tumulong sa ating Bisdako channel. Driving on the road, I got a feeling that I should not be known. Paraffle na lang muna kasi yan lang ang naisip ko muna, no? Then konting pa games later siguro like Bring Me. Yan, yung Bring Me siguro para mas mapadali. Then, mayroon pa tong coming pabingo by, ano naman yon, before mag-New Year, after Pasko or Pasko New Year. Parang matagal nga yung Pinoy Henyo. Ang audience kasi natin is iba't ibang parte ng mundo. Baka tulog na sila. Sige, anyway, this will not be the last natin. Sa ngayon muna yung ating dahan-dahan
country road. Take me home, country road.
Guys, mga 15 minutes na lang ako ha. 2 hours ko lang yung ano ko today kasi mag-prepare ako sa
Another
kakain
reggae flavor.
mag-lunch. Nag-ano na ba kayo? Nakapag-dinner na sa Pilipinas. Ako magla-lunch pa.
You man, nobody gets too much heaven no more. It's much harder to come by. I'm waiting in line. Oh, nobody
Okay. Salamat sa idea. So, kapag bring me naman, okay, ibaba ko yung hagdan para makaakyat. Okay, sige. Ganun ang gawin natin. Ibaba ko yung ano by the time. Ano? Yan, that's good. Cooking while watching. Oh, salamat. So, ingat sa pagluto. Ang sarap siguro ng niluto mo ngayon. Ano bang niluluto natin dyan? So, note ko, baba ko yung bahay kapag bring me. Okay.
Loving such a beautiful day. Oh yeah. Oh, you make my world a summer day. Are you just a dream to fade away? Nobody gets too much heaven no more. It's much harder to come by. I'm
Pork adobo, wow. Parang only rice tayo niyan. Ang problema, ibinagbawalan na si host ng sobrang rice. Sarap ng pork adobo na yan. Ha? Careful kasi ano yan. Wag kang magbukas na P kasi hindi yan na paano yan sa medyo delikado yan sa reaction ng gas. Ingat while enjoying sa iyong pagluto ng adobo.
Nobody gets too much heaven no more. It's much harder to come by. I'm waiting in line. Nobody gets too much love anymore. It's as high as a mountain and harder to climb. La la la.
Walang anuman. Ang ingatan natin sa kapag magbukas, yung pagbukas, dapat wala ang phone kasi yan yung time na yung reaction. Pagbukas ng gas at malapit sa phone. Ingat tayo dyan.
Nobody gets too much heaven no more. It's much harder to come back. I'm waiting in line. Nobody gets too much love.
Luto na. Sarap. Buon appetito in Italian. Buon appetito.
Nobody gets too much heaven no more. It's much harder to come back. I'm waiting in line. Nobody gets too much love anymore. It's as high as a mountain and harder to climb.
Buon appetito.
Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ooh.
Ayan, sa mga magdi-dinner dyan sa Pilipinas, buon appetito. From Bisdaco, Rome.
A certain candlelight that never shone on me. I ain't got you, yeah, you don't know what is like. Baby, you don't know what is like. To love somebody, to love somebody, yeah, the way I love you.
Love somebody.
I see you face again.
Hanggang 2 hours lang ngayon si Bisla ko. So sa lahat ng dumalo ng ating live for this Saturday morning mula dito sa Rome, Italy, maraming salamat sa lahat na dumalo. Again, saan man kayong parte ng mundo, ingat at mag-enjoy lang tayo. Katulad nung sinasabi palagi ni Bisla ko, love what you do what you love.
I live and breathe for you. But what could I say to if I ain't got you, baby?
So for this last 10 minutes, again, ulitin ko lang, by December 8, i-announce ko na lang yung oras ng ating live stream para sa ating raffle. Pasasalamat sa lahat ng tumulong ng Bisdaco channel for the monetization.
Love somebody, you love somebody, the way I love
Thank you so much, Hazel, for the support. Maraming salamat. Ikaw naman, anong niluluto mo dyan? Yung iba nagluto ng adobo. Kami, anong niluluto ko? Naglaga lang ng gulay.
you. Don't know what it's like, baby. You don't.
Malamig na rin kasi kami dito. Malamig na, kaya medyo gagalaw. Pero dapat lang gumalaw dahil pag hindi ay mapi-freeze.
You don't know what it's like, baby. You don't know what it's like to love somebody, yeah, to love.
Tapos na mag-dinner yung iba, hugasan time. Ayan, hugas na naman. Ayan, sige. Hugas plato na naman tayo. Yung iba na hindi pa nakapag-dinner, bon appetito mula kay Bisdaco. Yung ibang tapos na. Ayan, mag-enjoy na sa paghugas, paglinis, at of course, manood ng TV. Korean drama, manood na ng Korean drama. Kahapon ako nagpapagupit para atang medyo may mali sa gupit ko eh. Ipapahuli ko yung naggupit nito. Luto muna ako, host, sabi ni Lamisa ni Ebiang. Salamat, Lamisa ni Ebiang. Luto ka muna nung lulutuin mo. Mag-dinner pa lang kami. Oh, bon appetito dyan sa iyo, Isel David. Bon appetit. Bon appetito sa pag-dinner dyan. From sa Hong Kong. Hong Kong, yes, Hong Kong. Ano ba dyan ang weather ngayon dyan sa Hong Kong? Ano din? Tiglamig ba dyan? Sige, enjoy kayo sa dinner mo. Isel enjoy. Si Lamisa Nebiang naman maglaga ng gulay. Ayos, ano kayang gulay ito? Ano to? Diet? Anong partner sa gulay? Lamisa Nebiang? Ayun, labisan na ibiyang, lagang gulay, paris po, karne. Ayun, okay yan. That's good, that's good. Si Ma'am Shi naman, tapos na sa kanyang adobo eh. Naging only rice. Nag-only rice ba dyan, Ma'am Shi? Nag-only rice. Si Isel naman ay kakain pa. Si Cherry Ann ay naghugas na. Busog na si Cherry Ann. Yung iba kumakain pa. Yung iba nagluluto pa. Kaya enjoy lang kayo again. 2 hours na ngayon si host. Kaya last 6 minutes. Maraming salamat ulit sa inyong mga pag-follow. At yung pa-entry natin para sa December 8. Adobo rice. Sarap niyan, Ma'am Shi. Lalo na din, kinabukasan yung, ano ba yan? Yung fried rice with adobo flakes. Diba? See? May adobo flakes yung fried rice. Sarap niyan bukas. Adobo with rice. Tapos kinabukasan, fried rice with adobo flakes. Yes, host, fave ng anak ko. Ayan. Paborito ang sarap talaga niya. Ako ay naisip ko bukas magluto sana ng hamonadong manok. May nakita akong recipe eh. Gusto kong i-try yung hamonadong manok bago magpasko. Makabili ng mga 1 kilong buong manok or 1.5 kilos gawing hamonado. Sino bang may recipe dyan ng hamonado? Simple lang yung nakita ko na Kaya nagustuhan ko yun dahil simple lang.
Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Speaking word of wisdom, let it be. I find myself sometimes a trouble. Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she's standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Oh, let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be.
Ayan, mga ulam na lang ang pinag-uusapan natin. Adobo with rice. Naglagang gulay with karne.
Living in the world agree, and thou will be an answer, let it be. But though the may be parted, there is still the chance that they will see. There will be an answer, let it be. Oh, let it be, let it be, let it be.
Subukan ko lang kasi kung maging tama ba yung aking hamonadong manok. Parang ang dali lang tingnan sa sa recipe
Oh, let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be.
Parang para pag sa sa Pasko medyo kung maging perfect yung kung maging masarap lutuin ulit, pag hindi fried chicken. Fried chicken ang bagsakan. Hello, John Ritabs the second. Welcome to Bisdako. Welcome back to Bisdako. Maraming salamat kahit sa huli kasi mamamaalam na si Bisdako in 2 minutes time. Pero maraming salamat sa iyong pagdalaw, John Ray. Baba ka ng bahay para maanuhan ng iba dyan. Nandyan si Ma'am Shi. May 2 minutes pa naman tayo. Yes, good vibes lang tayo mula Rome, Italy, live from Bisdaco. And by the way, John Ray, sa pagpasok mo na yan, bigyan kita ng isang pa-entry para sa ating December 8 pa-raffle. John Ray Tabs. Yan ba yung bahay mo, John Ray Tabs? Pero may the second, kaya junior ito. Palalabs, say Palalabs team. Hello, ayan John Ray. Sulatan ko dito ng Palalabs para alam natin kung kayo ay manalo sa natin mga gulapin. Alam nyo natin yung team. Ayan ha, John Ray. Ayun, isama ka dito sa ating raffle at bring me games.
Let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom.
Ayan, John Ray, yan. Yun, meron ka na doon isang pa-entry. So, since Palalab, so dikit na kayo kay Mamshi, dikit na yan kay Cherry Ann. Kay Aisel na lang, ipin ko ng bago matapos, ipin ko yung kay Aisel. John Ray. Hanapin natin yung kay Aisel para mapin at madikitan mo si Aisel David. Ayan, si Felix, yung baguhan din. Buntag direhos, buntag. Oh wow, breakfast kaasa man kadi ay. Saan ka banda? Saan ka banda ng mundo? Eh bakit maaga pa sa iyo diyan? Siguro that's Middle East. Middle East ba? Ang buntag pa? For America, medyo ano ako eh. Geographically, medyo mahina ako dyan sa geography. Nanap ko tuloy si Isel para madikitan mo. Baba ka kaya ng bahay, Palalabs. Labs, tulungan natin yan si Felix, yung nakapin. Mababa pa eh. I mean sa inyo. Okay. Yes, hindi na. We're at, mag-alauna na ng tanghali. Kaya gutom na. Mag-alauna na ng tanghali. Ayun, pinin ko si Aisel David. Salamat sa pagbagsak mo ng bahay. Anuhan ka ng iba dyan. Ayan. John Ray Tabs. Ayan. Sige. Para sa iyo, anuhin ko lang muna ng iba bago ako magpaalam talaga kasi 2 hours na tayo. Maraming salamat ulit sa 6 million people watching at sa suporta palagi ng Bisdaco. So, dating dikit sa nakapin. Ayan, yes, dating dikit. Ayan, Mamshi, ipin ko yung kay John Ray. Kay John Ray Tabs, ipin ko. Ayan, nakapin. Maraming salamat, Mamshi, palagi. Ayan. Ay, iligan. Hay, Jesus dong. Okay. Nindot ni imong monetize na. OTW po kay Isel. Yes, salamat. Anuhin mo yan si Isel, pati si Mamshi. Unahin mo si Isel ngayon. Then, isunod mo si Mamshi. Yan yung mga may live streaming din yan si Mamshi. Si Isel is from Hong Kong. This plain to see is good as heavenly. Big and slow, we could fly so high. Did our spirits never die? In my heart, I feel you are all my brothers. Create a world with no fear. Together work reality tears. Mega loud shout out sa iyo, John Ray. So at least the second, meron ka ng isang entry, yung sabi ko. Really get there if you care enough for a living. Make a little space to make a better place in the world. Making a better place. Aisel David, yes. John Ray, yung napin kanina. Okay, yung nakapin kanina. bago ko pinin yung sayo, yun yung si Isel.
If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and
Si Isel David, yun yung pinin ko kanina, bago ka nagbaba ng bahay.
make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are
Cherry Ann, John Ray Tubbs, dating tamsak at dikit sa'yo. Ayun, naglablaban na kayo John Ray Tubbs ni Cherry Ann. Nagdikita na kayo, ayan din si Cherry Ann dati. Okay lang yan, suportahan lang tayo, mas maigi ng mga dating dikitan. Ibig sabihin niya, nagtutulungan tayo, ano? Guys, talagang anuhin ko na lang ito Gustuhin ko talagang magano. Ma'am Shife, twins, Dan Tamsak po, John Ray Tubbs, Ma'am Shi, tapos siya sa'yo. John Ray, just in case, dalawin mo yung live stream ni Ma'am Shi. Marami din niyang mapuntad noon. Ako, dumadalaw din ako doon. Makitamsak, makiano. Salamat po, Miss Cherry, sabi ni John Ray. So, nakapanihapon na kadihadong, John Ray. Nakapanihapon na. Kumusta ang Iligan? Dan full pack sa nakapin, sabi ni Ma'am Shi. Ayan, John Ray. Pati si John Ray, galing na rin sa iyo, Ma'am Shi. Dalawin mo yung mga live ni Ma'am Shi. Twins, John Ray.
Arms me like Carlitos, rising up through the air.
Manihapon pa. Okay, that's good. Manihapon ka pa. So kung manihapon ka pa, bon appetito mula Roma, Italy. Enjoy your dinner. Yung sa may dinner, sa may atong panihapon liharon, anong dinner? Sa mga Tagalog pala, panihapon is dinner. Okay? Hapunan kasi hapunan.
When she left at the candle and they showed me the way, there were voices down the corridor. I heard them say, yeah, yeah, yeah. Welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place. What a lovely place. Lady of room at the Hotel California. Any time of year, you can find it here. Emma the Tiffany twisted. She got the Mercedes Benz.
Guys, gustuhin ko man magstay, pero again, mula sa puso ni Bisda ko, palaging sinasabi, love what you do what you love. Thank you so much sa pagbisita ninyo sa bahay ni Bisda ko. God bless you all. God bless you all. So, ingat kayo sa mga kumakain dyan. Bon appetito sa tapos na. Tuloy lang. Again, maraming salamat. See you next. At saka December 8, by the way, is the raffle draw natin sa ating pa-entry. I-announce ko rin ano yung oras. Okay? Enjoy. Have a good weekend and have a blessed Sunday, everyone.